to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that smash subscribe. And don't forget to like my button. Today we have cherries. We have 5. So let's eat 5 of the cherries. I already bite this one. If you don't like cherries, comment below. Just say another fruit should I take. Oh, wait. Got another one. I should have 4 today. I look at my teeth. That was a seed. Do you like my haircut? It's wavy. 2 more, and this is my one. that hurt my teeth. I have a bowl, and I use that so the juice goes there on my bowl. Oh, there's a seed. It doesn't look like a seed. It looks like a chunk, but it's a seed. Oh, I like sour stuff, but that one's so sour. Guys, I hope you like my baking show. Tell me if you don't like it. Okay, this is my last one. Look at my hair. Ooh, 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 oh. I ate it all, guys. I love it. If you want me to eat more cherries, comment below.